Congratulations, Ate at Kuya Ken. Congratulations, Ate Kuya Ken.
Congratulations, Ate and Kuya Ken.
Congratulations, Ate and Kuya Ken.
We love you. We miss you.
Good luck. Good luck. And a new journey. Bye-bye.
Congratulations, Rainy Bell and Ken. Proud kami at happy dahil makakapagtapos na kayo. Pagbutihin nyo palalo sa mga papasukin yung trabaho. Naalala ko pa nung maliit pa kayo, si Rainy Bell, pag magdo-drawing yan, laging may dot-dot sa, kitang-kita, oh. Laging may dot-dot sa mukha ko. Kaya makikilala mo kaagad na si Han. Ayun, Han ang tawag nila sa amin ni Mami Marie. Si Kenki naman, malambing at malakas kumain. Once again, congratulations. Masaya kami lahat at proud kami sa inyong magkapatid. Mahal namin kayo. God bless.
Congratulations on your graduation, Ate Rainy Bell and Ken. Hindi ka kayo salita.
Ako naman. Congratulations mga anak. More success sa inyo. Ingat kayo dyan palagi. Hope to your better future. We love you. Ingat kayo.
Bye-bye.
Congratulations sa Ate Bell and Kuya Ken for your success. Happy graduation.
Happy graduation.
Hi, Rain and Ken! Congratulations on your graduation. Your hard work, dedication, and perseverance have paid off.
May this achievement be the beginning of your successful journey ahead.
God bless your dreams. Wishing you all the best.
Love you! Hi! Good afternoon or good morning. Hello, Rain and Ken. I'm so glad na nalaman ko na nakatapos na pala kayo. Alam mo, knowing the kind of students you were before, alam ko na yung inyong courage, yung inyong sipag, at yung inyong patience sa pag-aaral. I know since then na you can reach yung mga pangarap ninyo sa buhay. And now, you made it. At syempre, hindi ko pwedeng kalimutan ang taong nasa likod ng inyong tagumpay at this point in time. Walang iba kundi si Mami. Alam nyo, without the courage, perseverance ng inyong magulang, ni Mami, I'm so sure you will not be in that position right now. Kaya, maigi, mabuti sa lahat, naging masunurin kayo, tinupad ninyo kung ano man ang pangarap ni Mami para sa inyo. You know, both of you, you are just one step para ma-fulfill ninyo ang talagang pangarap niyo sa buhay. Once again, congratulations. God bless sa inyong dalawa.
Hello, Belle. Congratulations again on your graduation. I am so happy for you. I know that you have a bright future ahead. I miss you and I hope to see you soon.
Hi, Rain! Congratulations! Ang bilis talaga ng panahon, parang kailan lang, maliit ka pa. Tagal na rin natin di nakita, no? Buti na lang, may Facebook. Although, lagi naman din kitang nakikita doon, kaya nasusubaybayan ko rin yung paglaki mo. Basta, I'm happy for you at saka sa parents mo kay Mami Maylin. Na-fulfill mo na makatapos ka ng pag-aaral. Basta ipagpatuloy mo lang yung pagiging mabuti mong anak. Halagaan mo yung mami mo at saka yung kapatid mo. At good luck sa hinaharap mo pang journey. God bless. Happy graduation. Love you, Rain.
Hi, Ken and Rainy Bell. Congratulations on your graduation. I have a better future ahead. And to your mom, congratulations also. Sumare, so proud of you. Finally, nakatapos na silang pareho. And to Rainy Bell, hi Rainy Bell, I'm your Ninang. Really, I am. Probably you don't have a memories na nakita or na-meet mo ko sa Pilipinas. But I hope someday, maybe next year, we can see each other in the Philippines. So, hopefully, congratulations guys and bye!
Hello Rainabel, congratulations, nakagraduate ka na. So, yung makakatulong ka na sa mama mo and huwag ka muna mag-aasawa and nandito si Ninong and babawi ako pagdating mo ng Pilipinas ha. Congratulations, see you!
Hi Ken! Congrats sa inyo ni Ate Rain. Happy graduation. Alam ko hindi naging madali ang inyong journey pero congrats sa inyong dalawa. Hopefully magkita-kita na tayo ulit magkaklase pag uwi niyo dito and see you soon. Take care palagi.
Hi guys, congratulations. Ken, Rain, proud of you guys. Keep growing. Bless you guys.
Hi Belle, congratulations on your graduation. Actually, hindi na tayo ganun nakakapag-usap, I know, but I'm very proud as a friend na you've achieved this milestone in your life. And nung high school tayo, hindi ko in-expect na ito yung career na pipiliin mo kasi sobrang kikay mo and takot ka sa dugo dati. But, kaya parang mas na-amaze ako na this is the career that you chose. And I'm very proud kasi alam kong this is a big achievement for you and your family. And I hope all the best will come after this. Marami ka pang pagdadaanan and challenges. And I know that lahat yun ma-overcome mo. So, yeah, I'm excited and I'm just proud. I just want to say congratulations again. I hope makauwi ka din dito sa Pinas and magkita tayo because I miss you so much. Yan lang. Congrats again. Ingat.
Hi Rain, hi Ken. Congrats. I wish you the best of luck in this new stage of your lives. I wish I was there, but I hope you guys have fun, and I guess I'll see you around.
Hi Rain, inaanak. Happy graduation sa iyo and congratulations. Good luck sa next journey mo. Kung ano man ang marating mo sa buhay, huwag mong kalilimutan yung mga taong nakapaligid sa iyo. Siyempre si Ninong, joke lang. Siyempre si Kian at si Mami. Masasabi ko lang, manatiling mapagpakumbaba at laging nakatapak ang paa sa lupa. Muli, congratulations sa iyo at lagi kayong mag-iingat dyan. Stay humble and pretty na anak. God bless.
Ayan. Hi Ate Belle, Kuya Ken. Happy graduation. Congratulations to both of you. I'm so happy. Parang kailan lang. You guys are just kids. Now, graduates na kayo pareho. And to Ate Merlinda, if you're watching, I know you're watching actually, but I want to congratulate you as well. Ang galing mo. Tapos yung mga kids, balik ka na mag-chill. Ate Belle, Kuya Ken, tuloy nyo lang yung mga pangarap nyo. Kung ano pa yan, I'm sure matutupad nyo yan. And I always pray na matupad lahat ng desires ng puso nyo. May God grant all your heart's desires. And andito lang ako if you need me. Good luck sa kung anumang future ang nakalaan para sa inyo. And God bless. I love you three. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Hi everyone. Good morning or good evening there. Kids. Ken, Bongo, Bel, Mylene, kumusta kayo lahat dyan? At masayang-masaya ako at nakapagtapos na yung mga anak mo. Kayo, Ken at si Bongo, Bel. Congratulations. Salamat at nakapagtapos kayo. Ako'y masaya kahit na papaano ngayon lang tayo nag-usap sa tagal ng panahon. Pasalamat ako sa Diyos at nakapagtapos kayo. At yun naman talaga ang panalangin ko na magkaroon kayo ng magandang kinabukasan dyan. Kaya alam ko kung anong paghihirap ng nanay ng dinanas ninyo dyan. At ako'y malaking pasasalamat sa Panginoon at kayo'y nakapagtapos. Maraming salamat at congratulations sa inyong magkakapatid. Lalong-lalo na sa iyo, Mylene. Congratulations din. At saka sa papa ninyo, huwag ninyong kalimutan. At pasalamat ako at kahit na papaano na bibigyan kayo ng magandang kinabukasan. Sana pandalangin ko sa Panginoon na more knowledge and more wisdom para kung ano man plano ninyo sa buhay ninyo, sa guidance ng Panginoon at ng magulang ninyo, makakamit pa ninyo kung anong minimiti ninyo sa buhay. At pasalamat ako at talagang secured na kayo ang mga kinabukasan ninyo dyan, mga bata, Ken at saka ikaw, Bongo. Kaya lang, huwag ninyo pababayaan yung nanay ninyo at papa ninyo kahit na papaano. At sa muli, congratulations at God bless sa inyong lahat. We miss you, I love you. God bless, God bless. Mylene, God bless.
Congratulations, Bel and Ken, sa graduation nyo. Ingat kayo lagi.
Congratulations sa Ate Bel at Ninong Ken.
Congratulations po, Tita Bel and Tito Ken.
Congratulations po, Ninang Bel, Tito Ken.
Ingat kayo lagi. Bye-bye.
Hello, Bel. Hello, Ken. Congratulations on your graduation. We wish you all the best. God bless.